Hey guys! Today we're fixing a PS4 with the white light of death. I can navigate through safe mode with the controller, so the console is definitely booting. Let's diagnose the HDMI circuit. For that we need to open the console. Let's get started. First remove the screw here at the back and then pull off this cover. Like this. Now we've got another screw. And we can then now pull out the hard drive. Pull up on the corner here, pull up on the corner here, and then slide it to the back. There we go. Oh wait, there. There we go. Cover's also off. Yeah. We will now try to remove the main board. Undo this. Unclip all the ribbons. Oh, and we also can't forget the other side screw here. I always forget it. I will now unscrew the black screws at the top here, then I will be back. And here we go, yeah. Plate has been removed. Let's unscrew the APU bracket here. Awesome. Perfect. Okay, so I took a look and the HDMI port is pushed back. Yeah, you can see the plastics there. We can see the pins, so that's why the console is unable to display, because the pins don't reach. So I will next step replace the HDMI port and we'll see if it works. Okay, so we've got the port out, melted a bit, but we don't care because this port is faulty anyway. Now we will clean the pads, make everything nice, so we can install a new port. Okay, perfect. All the holes are clean now. Now, the area looks pretty messy, but we will fix it by just putting some IPA on. Yeah, what do you think? I scratched the boards a bit, but it doesn't matter. Hey guys, we have a few days later and I've got my letter. So we have a brand new HDMI port. Let's solder it in. And yeah, it's looking good, yeah. Looks like the pins are properly down. Should be able to solder this now. Okay, we will add flux as always. And let's solder this board. So, what do you think? Is it soldered? I think so. I've temporarily reconnected everything, and we can now give the console a test, yeah? I will plug in the HDMI in case we get a picture. Yeah, fits good. We also need some power. What do you think? Will this work or not? So, you can now see the monitor in the top corner there. And we will now give it a try, yeah? Let me power on. Okay, console now has power. We will now press the power button. Okay, we still get a blue light. Let's hope for white light. I also plugged the hard drive, so we should actually boot into OS. Wow, we are having a picture. I will just connect the controller and connect it. And yeah, let's restart. Oh, and we have a PlayStation logo. And we've got a dashboard. Nice, awesome. Hey guys, I have reassembled the console and fully tested it. So it played 2 games of Fortnite fine, and also all the USB ports work, Ethernet works, Wi-Fi works. So everything's perfect. This thing is ready to go back to the customer. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you liked the video, and see you in the next one. Bye.